In this video, I will show you how to change your Windows 11 Start menu or even taskbar to look like Windows 7 Start menu or taskbar. So today we are going to use this program which is called StartIsBack. Simply go to your Google and type in StartIsBack for Windows 11. Here you will click on this first page and it's currently in preview 2 which launched on September 15th. Simply click on this red box right here and you will have the exe file. Left click on the exe file and as you can see you will click here install for everyone. And one thing I should remember you guys, that this build will expire on November of 2021. So this is just preview version of this program which is currently in version preview 2. I will click here to install for everyone and click yes right here. Right now your Explorer exe should restart, so this is just normal for everyone. And as you can see we have back our StartIsBack configuration. So here we have a welcome screen for our StartIsBack configuration or program. So here we have 3 themes to apply. So we have Windows 11 theme, Windows 10 and Windows 7 theme. So I will show you right now how Windows 11 theme looks like, and it looks like that, really nice and rounded. Windows 10 theme, it looks like that. So this is from Windows 10 version, and also remastered Windows 17, and it should look like Windows 7, and it looks like that with some arrow design from Windows 7. But because we are on Windows 11, I will just use proper Windows 11 theme for our Windows Start menu and also taskbar. And also if we go to deep dive into Start menu settings right here, we can disable or enable this setting, and we have also some visual styles for that. For example, we can add some plain 8 visual style for our Windows Start menu, and as you can see it looks flat right now. If I enable Windows 7 visual style, it looks like arrow design from Windows 7. But I really like the default one from Windows 11, and it currently looks like that. And also we can also change some icon sizes of our Start menu. To be exact, here we have large icon sizes, here we have small icon sizes, and we also have medium icon sizes, and it currently looks like that. And also we can change some icon count. For example, here are currently 10 icons, but if you want to, you can also increase or decrease this specific number. And also here we have all programs, general, search and right side items. For example, here we have right side items, so these are these items on the right side, and you can also display them, link them, or also have the menu for them as well. So if we have display modern apps in folder, so if I disable this setting, you will see that we don't have these modern apps. So I think the modern apps, they are referring to the UWP apps, so from Microsoft Store. We can also use large icons. For example, these large icons are referred to all these specific icons on this start menu, and we can also enable large ones, and it looks like that right now. I will disable that for personal preferences. And also general settings, we have highlight newly installed programs, open submenus when I pause on them with the mouse pointer. And also we can add some custom folders as well. If we go to the taskbar specific settings right here, we can also use enhanced classic taskbar. We can disable that or enable that. Here we have visual style as same as before, as you've seen for Windows 7 and Windows 8, and we have default style for Windows 11. Here we can change some icon sizes. For example, we can set it to the small. I think the small one is a bit too small in my opinion. We have the medium one, we have the large one, and we also have the XL one. I think this is too big. Look at that, it looks quite big. I will put back to the medium one, and you can also change your Windows here, the icon on the bottom left, so of the start menu. Here I will select the Windows 11 start menu icon. We can also change some margins, so this margin will apply between our icons in the taskbar. So if I, let's say XS, our icons should be a bit together right now, and if I enable, let's say XL, and it looks like that. So here is a greater margin between the applications pinned in the taskbar. So I will just put it back to the medium. So tweak behavior and superpowers. We can also change some other settings of this taskbar. So combine taskbar buttons. As you already probably know, in Windows 11 you can't actually change this taskbar buttons combined. So with this program you can actually change these specific settings. So we have always hide labels right now enabled, but we can also set this to the never, and as you can see it also shows program name. So right now StartIsBack is configuration and it looks like that right now, but if I, let's say, run Microsoft Edge, as you can see it also looks with your name right here. I will put this one to the never because I think it looks quite nice. We can also center the task icons. For example, the icons that we have pinned, you can center on your taskbar. We have also dynamic transparency. For example, if I, let's say, open this program, our taskbar will be transparent, but let's say if I maximize a window, your taskbar should be back to the normal, or let's say back to the normal color. And we can also change some segments right here. So segments are, let's say, on the bottom right, we have here the volume, the internet, the clock, and the notification area right here. And on the left, we have our pinned icons and also the start menu button. We can also disable that because I think it looks better that way. And also I really like the dynamic transparency option. So here under Explorer settings, we can also apply a few themes for our Windows Explorer. So let me show you this Windows 11 Explorer. If I enable Windows 11, Windows 10 ribbon UI, you will see that if I, let's say, restart this program, you will see that we have Windows 10 ribbon UI right here. But if I enable Windows 7 command bar, if I relaunch my File Explorer, it looks like that right now. But I think this one, Windows 11 command bar, looks the best in my opinion. We can also have Mica effect on top, we have details pane on bottom, and also classic search box. We can enable this setting as well. And we can also enable colorize everything with accent color. I will enable this one as well. And if I launch my File Explorer, you will see that we have icon on the bottom left that we just enabled in Explorer settings. And we also have Mica effect on top. If I disable this one, let me see what actually changes. And as you can see, we don't have this huge, let's say, huge option right here. So if I enable this one, to be exact, you will see that we have, I think this is this search bar on the bottom between these two segments of the File Explorer. So if we go to advanced sections, we can also customize our appearance of start menu. For example, you can change your color. For example, let's say if I want the red color, I will click OK. And right now your start menu should looking a bit red. As you can see, it has a little bit red tint to this specific start menu. We can also use custom taskbar coloring. For example, let's say I will also put to the red, I will click OK. And if I launch it right here, as you can see, we have also some red tint to our taskbar. Here we also have tweak Windows settings. For example, we have store and display recently opened program. We can clear this one, and store and display recently opened items. We can also clear list as well. So we have, I think this is this list on the start menu, and as you can see, it's currently empty because we cleared the list right here. And also we can disable StartIsBack for other users, but I won't do that right now. So I think this has been it for this video. I hope you completely transform your Windows 11 start menu and taskbar to look like Windows 7 or even Windows 10 start menu. And if I helped you, consider subscribing to the channel and also leave a like on this video. And with that being said, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.